Did you know that humans have only explored about 0.005% of the known universe? That's about as much as exploring your backyard compared to the entire Earth. Imagine our universe is so vast, so expansive, that what we've seen is merely a speck in the cosmic ocean. Our current technology has allowed us to peek through the keyhole, but to unlock the door to the cosmos, we need more. To venture beyond our celestial backyard, we must overcome some monumental challenges. Space, while fascinating, is a harsh and unforgiving environment for humans and our machines. This stark reality presents a multitude of challenges that we face in space travel. First and foremost is the harsh environment of space itself. It's a realm of extremes with temperatures that can fluctuate wildly from scorchingly hot to bone-chillingly cold. Radiation, too, is a constant threat with levels far higher than what we're exposed to here on Earth. This can wreak havoc on both human health and the delicate electronics of our spacecraft. Then we have the issue of long travel times. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take 4 years to reach the nearest star, Proxima Centauri. And with our current technology, we're not even close to achieving such speeds. This means that space exploration is a long-term commitment with missions that can span years, if not decades. Communication delays are another hurdle. The farther away a spacecraft is from Earth, the longer it takes for signals to travel back and forth. This can make real-time communication impossible, complicating both navigation and the operation of remote-controlled rovers or other equipment. And let's not forget about the high cost. Designing, building, and launching a spacecraft is an expensive endeavor, one that requires significant resources and funding. This often limits the number of missions that can be undertaken and restricts the scope of our exploration. These challenges, daunting as they may be, are not insurmountable. They simply highlight the need for innovative solutions. For new technologies that can help us overcome these obstacles, we need advancements in propulsion to speed up our journeys, in shielding to protect us from radiation, in communication systems to bridge the vast distances, and in cost-saving measures to make space exploration more affordable. But fear not, for human ingenuity knows no bounds. We are already on the path to developing technologies that can tackle these challenges head-on. So as we venture further into the cosmos, we do so with optimism, armed with the knowledge that the future holds exciting possibilities for space travel. From advanced propulsion systems to AI-driven robotics, new technologies are reshaping the future of space exploration. One of the most promising advancements is the development of ion propulsion. Unlike traditional propulsion systems that burn fuel to create thrust, ion propulsion uses electricity to charge atoms, creating ions. These ions are then expelled from the spacecraft, providing the push needed for movement. This method is incredibly efficient, requiring far less fuel than traditional methods, and opens the door to longer, more ambitious space missions. Next in line is nuclear propulsion, a concept that, while not new, is experiencing a resurgence in interest. This technology harnesses the immense energy produced in nuclear reactions to heat and expel propellant at high speeds, allowing spacecraft to reach unprecedented velocities. This could potentially cut the journey time to Mars in half, making manned missions to the Red Planet a more viable possibility. But it's not just about getting there faster, it's also about doing more once we arrive. That's where AI and robotics come into play. Robotic explorers have been our eyes and ears in space for decades, but the advent of AI is taking this to a whole new level. AI-driven robots can make decisions, adapt to unforeseen situations, and accomplish tasks with a level of precision and efficiency that far surpasses their human-operated counterparts. This means we can explore more, gather more data, and push the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. And let's not forget about the potential of these technologies working together. Imagine a spacecraft powered by nuclear propulsion, navigated by AI and equipped with ion thrusters for fine-tuning its course. The possibilities are as limitless as space itself. With these technologies, the final frontier may not be so final after all. Space travel is not a distant dream, but a reality that you can participate in. The stars above us are not just twinkling lights in the night sky, they are destinations waiting to be explored, and you have a role to play in this cosmic adventure. How, you may ask? It starts with curiosity. with a desire to understand the universe. You can quench this thirst for knowledge by learning more about space travel technologies. There are countless resources available, from books and documentaries to online courses and seminars. By understanding the science behind space travel, you can appreciate the marvels of our universe and the ingenuity of the human mind. But learning is just the first step. You can actively contribute to the space age by following space news, attending launches, and supporting space organizations. These entities, whether they are government agencies like NASA or private companies like SpaceX, rely on public interest and support to continue their missions. And who knows, you might find yourself so captivated by the stars that you decide to pursue a career in the field. Whether as an engineer designing the next generation of spacecraft, a scientist uncovering the secrets of the universe, or an astronaut embarking on a mission to Mars, you could be a part of the great space narrative. Remember, the future of space exploration is not just in the hands of astronauts and scientists, but in yours as well. So dive in, explore, learn, and who knows, you might just end up shaping the future of space travel.